Found an easier way to refill these vype cartridges. You don't have to undo these hinges here, like the guy says, or the pliers I've used. Now I found vice grips, which are easier because they can be preset to a certain width, and the tiny little screwdriver or pencil you can use, and your juices. Okay, so let's get to it. So you take your cartridge. Your vice grips are already preset to a certain width here. All right. Just clamp it on like that. Take it off. See how easy that was? Then grab this clip, this cartridge inside the cartridge, pull it out. Right? Well, the plastic thing stayed on it, okay? Usually this thing comes off, right? And you gotta use this thing to take it out of here, okay? So you just flick it in and pull it out like this, right? That time we were lucky and it stayed in, okay? Take your juice, shake it up, regular tobacco. That's what I use. Then I have my peach. If I want to change it up, fill it up to, I'll show you in a second. Fill it up. Okay, see that rod in the middle there? I usually don't go higher than that, okay? I'll keep it a little bit lower. Right there. Put this cap back on this. This thing. Sure. One hand. Should have left it on. Okay, it's on. So, cap's back on. And you put, cap's back on. Just put it in like that. Push it in. Put the steel cap back on. You'll hear the snap. Make sure it's pressed in all the way, otherwise these contacts will not work with your vype. Right? So it's got to be flush, more or less. Okay? Well, first tap it. Let out the air. There. There's an air bubble. Put it back in. All done, man. All set. See how easy that was? 14 bucks for two. 24 bucks for a jar. Anyhow, subscribe, like, comment, and follow me. Ciao, guys.